Today we are going to discuss about the scroll event. So where you want to use the scroll event and what is the scroll event. So before doing this, I'm going to comment this so you can easily get the code. Okay, so as you know, you have learned how can you validate a basic form. So now I'm saying text area, and now I'm saying rows are 10 and also columns are 10. I'm giving the class or ID. I'm saying my text. Okay, now I'm going to use the div for the feedback. I'm saying feedback so I can easily place some codes here. Okay, so now I'm going to select this, and also I'm going to use the comment, control shift comment, and now I'm saying that this is the selector. Make sure this is the ID selector because we have used the ID. I'm saying ID, and now I'm saying scroll. Okay, then I'm saying this is the callback function. Okay, I'm saying when someone scroll the text, for suppose here I'm saying lorem ipsum, or I'm saying this is my paragraph. Now I'm going to copy paste this thing. Okay, now once again control D, control D. Okay, so now go to the page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, you have your content. This is the text area. Okay, so now I'm saying if someone scroll, I'm going to fetch the position of the scroll. So how? I'm saying that same text, or I'm saying you can also use this ID. Make sure this is the ID, so that's why you have to use the hash. And now I'm saying scroll top dot scroll, make sure top, and I'm going to store this value in a variable. I'm saying my value. Now I'm going to show this value to my feedback div. Make sure this is the class, that's why we are using the dot, and I'm saying this dot text. I'm going to give this variable to my feedback div. Now go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, you are scrolling the text area. It's giving you the positions, and now you can perform anything. For suppose you can use the if conditions. I'm saying if this value greater than 1000, alert me something, alert, this is the end. Okay, now go to the page, refresh the page, scroll down, as you can see it's saying end, because I'm saying 100. If I'm saying 1000, so go to the page, refresh the page, 1000. This is the end because I'm saying greater than 1000. So 999 is greater than 1000. If I'm saying equals to 1000, then what you need, refresh the page. Okay, because fine. Okay, so this is very useful event if you are working on the navigation bar. For suppose if you familiar with the sticky navigation bar, wait a second, I'm saying let me show you something. Portamdigital.com. So this is the sticky navigation bar. Scroll down, wait a few seconds. Okay, scroll down. So as you can see, scroll down, so your navigation giving you some animations. Scroll down. Okay, so you can add like this functionality or animation with the help of scroll and scroll top value. So scroll top value fetch the position of your scroll. So I think this is enough for today. In the next session we are going to cover some other useful events. So thank you for watching.